In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group event in Calendly. If you run workshops, classes, or info sessions, a group event lets multiple people book the same time slot, so you coordinate once and meet with everyone together. First, head to calendly.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage dashboard, you'll see your existing event types. To begin, click the plus New Event Type button. This opens the creation flow for a fresh event. When asked to choose an event format, select Group. Group events allow several invitees to reserve the same time. Note that this option is available on paid plans, such as Standard and above. If you don't see it, you may need to upgrade or switch to an eligible plan. Now for the basic setup. Start with a clear descriptive name. Instead of something vague, choose a title like Intro to Yoga Workshop or Team Onboarding Session so invitees instantly understand what they're signing up for. Keep it concise and action-oriented to look clean on your booking page. Next, set the location. If you're meeting online, pick your video conferencing tool of choice, such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Calendly can generate the meeting details for each booking once it's connected to your conferencing account, which helps you avoid manual links and reduces no-show confusion. If it's an in-person event, enter the physical address or a short, recognizable venue name so attendees know exactly where to go. Finally, define the maximum number of invitees allowed per time slot. This is crucial for managing capacity and maintaining a good experience. Think about the level of interaction you want. For hands-on sessions, a smaller cap like 5 to 10 keeps things personal. For lectures or demos, you might comfortably allow 20 or more. Whatever number you choose, everyone who books that slot will attend together, and once the cap is reached, Calendly will show it as unavailable to the next visitor. That's it for the core setup. You've logged in, created a new event type, chosen group, named it clearly, set the location, and limited the number of attendees per slot. With these essentials in place, your group event is structured, clear, and ready to share with your audience. One last tip, keep your naming and location conventions consistent across similar events to build trust. And remember that Calendly displays availability in each invitee's local time zone, which minimizes confusion and keeps sign-ups smooth.